Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to delete comments in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data, item list and quantity. So here I already added some comments. So you can see in Apple showing the one comment, check stock weekly, and in orange also showing the one comment, check stock weekly. So here I'm going to delete this comment. Simply select the entire column. You can select the one by one also. So I select the one first cell, Apple. Then go to the repeat tab. And in comments group have a delete option. Just click on it, delete, and that's it. Okay. And here I select the second cell and second way, simply right click on it. And you can see here also same option available, delete the comment. You can just click on the delete and that's it. So this is the way you can delete the comments. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.